Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for you. We will be discussing how you can generate income using the power of Fiverr and clipdrop.co. Are you ready to dive into the world of freelancing and photo editing? Let's get started. First things first, let's understand what Fiverr is all about. Fiverr is an online freelance marketplace where individuals can offer a wide range of services to clients worldwide. Whether you're a graphic designer, content writer, or photo editor, Fiverr provides a platform to showcase your skills and connect with potential clients. Once you sign up on Fiverr, you can create a compelling profile that highlights your expertise and experience. Now, let's talk about one of the most sought-after services on Fiverr, background removal. Background removal is in high demand as businesses and individuals often require clean and transparent backgrounds for marketing, websites, and presentations. This is where clipdrop.co comes into play. Clipdrop.co is an incredible web-based platform that utilizes artificial intelligence to automatically remove backgrounds from images. It simplifies the editing process, making it faster and more efficient. Here's how you can leverage Fiverr and clipdrop.co to start making money. 1. Create your Fiverr gig. Start by offering your background removal service on Fiverr. Craft an engaging gig description that mentions the utilization of clipdrop.co for background removal. Highlight your skills, turnaround time, and quality assurance. 2. Receive orders from clients. When clients place orders, they will provide you with the images that require background removal. Download these images and proceed to the next step. 3. Edit images using clipdrop.co. Upload the images to clipdrop.co. Its advanced AI algorithm will automatically remove the backgrounds, saving you time and effort. Once the process is complete, download the edited images. 4. Quality assurance and final touches. Check the edited images to ensure they meet your client's requirements. Make any necessary adjustments using photo editing software to provide a polished final product. 5. Deliver the edited images. Upload the final edited images to the Fiverr platform and send them to your client. Ensure prompt communication and excellent customer service throughout the process. Now, let's talk about maximizing your earning potential with Fiverr and clipdrop.co. 1. Building credibility. To attract more clients and establish credibility, showcase your previous background removal work. Display samples of successful projects and encourage satisfied clients to leave positive reviews on your Fiverr profile. 2. Pricing your services. Determine your pricing based on factors such as image complexity, quantity, and turnaround time. Research market rates to ensure you're competitive while considering your expertise and the value you provide. Remember, success on Fiverr requires dedication and consistent effort. Continuously improve your skills, stay updated with industry trends, and provide exceptional customer service. That's all for today's video, folks. We hope you found this guide helpful. By combining the power of Fiverr and clipdrop.co, you can open promising income opportunities in the world of freelancing and photo editing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting content. See you in the next video.